This is teacher Shilpa Adkar. I will be teaching class 10th A, History and Geography for the present academic year. The PDF of both the History and Geography textbooks have been forwarded to all the 3 divisions of the 10th standard. Please refer to it. You are expected to complete the assignments given to you at the end of the lessons by the teachers. Use any book or paper available at home. Let us begin with the first lesson, field visit. All of us at some point have gone on a short trip, a long journey, a one-day picnic, or a visit to a new place. A field visit is not for entertainment, but it is an educational one. It includes a visit to an area outside of the normal classroom, where children can have different experiences and learn valuable life lessons. Students can see new sights and have hands-on opportunities in a variety of experiences. Collecting geographical and cultural information by actually visiting a particular place is called a field visit, and it is an important study method in geography. This lesson gives us a description of the changes experienced by the students regarding relief, soil, vegetation, and human settlements as they travel from Naldurg to Alibag. There are some things which are necessary to be taken on a field visit. Writing material and camera to collect information. A compass and map for understanding various directions and locations. It is necessary to have a questionnaire as per the purpose of the field visit. We should carry containers or bags for collecting samples of water, soil, crops, rocks, etc. Also, a cap, drinking water, a first aid box, etc. is necessary. On their way, the students see undulating or uneven topography, and at other places plain land. The plains have human settlements and fields. In the rural areas, they see houses of clay, mud, and wood, and in the urban areas, multi-storied houses, shopping malls, and big restaurants. Students see a crop of pulses in some fields, and where irrigation facilities are good, they see sugarcane fields, as sugarcane needs a good supply of water. The students come across the Ujni Dam on river Bhima and a reservoir of the Khadakwasla Dam. They are used for power generation, fishing, irrigation, and supplying drinking water to the areas around. Students also visited the forts Naldurg, Sinhagad, and Alibag, which are the heritage of our state. They observe that Fort Sinhagad is on a hill, Naldurg is on land, and Alibag Fort was constructed on water. One has to be careful while visiting a fort in the water, as we have to take account of the timings of the high and low tides, as this fort is away from the coast in the sea. The students enjoyed the view of the Western Ghats in the Sahyadris with cliffs and waterfalls. A dense growth of deciduous trees is also found here. Further down their journey, the students reach Alibag and take in the view of the Arabian Sea. They visit the Talati's office to gather information on the basis of the questionnaire they had prepared well in advance in school. The students learn how fishing and agriculture are the main occupations in Alibag. These come under the category of primary occupations. Coconut, betel nut, jackfruit, banana are some spices that are cultivated in the coastal plains. This is horticultural farming. Horticulture is a branch of plant agriculture dealing with garden crops, generally fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. Today, tourism has become an important occupation here. It is necessary to write a tour report after a field visit. The tour report has to be written on the basis of introduction, aim and objectives of the field visit, collecting and presenting information, and conclusion. We come to the end of the lesson. Please read the lesson from the PDF forwarded to you. Please write your answers to the following questions. Your first question: how will you manage the litter during the field visit? I repeat, how will you manage the litter during the field visit? Second question: what items will you take with you for the field visit? Third question: on what basis, I repeat the third question, on the basis of which points will you write the tour report? We come to the end of the lesson. Thank you.